Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 7th edition of Samurai Awards and Conference in Manufacturing and Supply Chain for Large Enterprise and MSME. The application have started, and this year we have added People Samurai, which is a HR category in both manufacturing and supply chain. So we have got Sustainability Samurai, we have got Innovation Samurai, Productivity Samurai, Service Samurai, Startup Samurai, People Samurai, and the leadership award, which is called Shogun. The application have started. Do check out www.industrysamurai.com. Apply in your category. The application ends on 15th of October. On top of that, the conference is on 4th of December at Taj Yashwantpur. 9 to 5 we are hosting the conference, Samurai Conference. 6 to 9 is the awards on 4th of December at Taj Yashwantpur. It will be a busy day. We look forward to meet you at Samurai Awards 2026. Do apply for the award. Thank you.